Hello viewers, welcome back again to my channel. We're going to continue from the previous video, ALS navigation, ALS shell navigation. So we are going to be looking at the task, and I'm going to solve all of them. So first of all, the first task asks us to um, change our to a root working directory, then create an empty file called so code. So just go ahead and illustrate that. So we're going to create an empty file in the root directory. So for learning's sake, let's just use cd to change to the directory we are creating, the empty file called so cool. So we want to create it in the root directory. So we are in the root directory, so we just create empty file with touch. Touch is for the command for creating empty file, and the file name is so cool. So just create so cool. So do ls, so you can see so cool here. It exists. So let's go ahead and check. Let's go ahead and do the next one for the text. So we can actually check if our code is correct by just doing this. So you can just click on start new to see if your code is totally correct. Um, it's taking much time. Okay, you can see the check are all correct. 3 of them are correct. Then you can see the files that the so code is present in the directory, and the file is an empty file. So this is how you check. So let's go ahead and do the next question. Solve the next question. We're asked to change the directory to a root directory, then copy the file school to um, the directory tmp. So we're going to create a file called school and copy it to the tmp directory. So here, create a file called so cool in the root directory. So cool. Then the file is this. You can see so cool is there. Then we'll copy the file to the directory. Copy, use cp to copy the file so cool to the directory tmp. We'll hit enter. So cd, we change directory to the tmp directory to check if the file actually exists. So we'll do lx in the directory, new directory, so you can see the file there. So cool. So let's go ahead and do the next task. For the next task, number 2, we see change to our root directory. Then we name the file old school to new school. So we're going to create a file called old school, then we name it to new school in the same directory. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to create a file. We're going to change back to the root directory. You can just use this command to do that. Take us to the root directory. Then we just create a file called touch old school. Then hit enter. Then we're going to rename this file from old school to new school. So you're going to do mv for renaming, mv old school, the file, old school. So do ls, you can see the file exists. You can see the file here. Let me just change the color. If you see this file here, now change to old school. So this for the second task. So let's go ahead. So what we actually did here, what we actually did for this task, we actually just to change, to create a touch, create a old school, a file called old school, then old school, then we rename it to from old school to new school. So we use the MV to rename the file old school to new school. Simple as that. We do ls, we now find the file here, new school. So let's go ahead and do it. For the next question, in our root directory, we just move the file not here to tmp slash right school to the we move the file not here to the directory tmp. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's just copy the directory from here. So let's go and create the file not here. So in the root directory, we're going to create a file called not here. So we're already in the root directory. So touch not here, empty file. After doing that, we're gonna move this file. Oops. I'm gonna move this file not here. Look at it here. I'm gonna move this file not here. Just here to the tmp directory. So we're gonna do stuff like this. mv let me just clear the screen so you can see it clearly. So let's go ahead and do mv not here. So we are moving using mv command to move the not here file. So this directory, so just hit enter. So it has been moved. So if you switch to the tmp directory, you see it right there. You see do lx. So you can see the file here. So you can see the file present and the new directory. So let's go ahead and do the next one. So here we're going to delete the file ready to be removed in the root directory, but we don't have this file, so we're going to create it. So we must copy the file name here. So we're going to create a file, touch, hit enter. Then we're going to delete. So if we check it, the file is present there. You can see ready to be removed is there. You can just go ahead and delete this file. To delete this file, oops, I'm supposed to create this file in the root directory. Oops, so let me just go ahead and do that. So in the root directory, let's create this file now in the root directory, which it's supposed to be the correct way of doing that. So I'm going to create this file in the root directory. So I'm going to remove the file is present here. Now it's to remove the root directory. So I'm going to delete the file with ROM from the root directory. So delete. So we check it, you can see the file is no longer there. So let's go ahead and do the next. Let's go ahead and do the next task. So let's go ahead and do the next task. For this task, we are asked to change change our root directory, then create a directory called School is Amazing. So let's go ahead and do that. So go to here, we're going to create an empty directory and remove the directory. Create a directory, then remove the directory. So we're going to create an empty directory in the root directory. So let's go ahead and do that. In the root directory, we just create mkdir, call it empty directory. So you can see the directory exists, the one with blue empty directory. So you can just delete this directory by specifying mdir, the command for removing directory. Then just type empty directory. So check, and the directory is gone. So hello viewers, if you enjoyed this video, though I use my phone to record this video, so where I am, if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'm gonna see you next time with more of these videos. Thank you. Bye bye.